Welcome to the Enigma Tech world. Why are there not more people talking about AI? AI is everywhere these days. From chatbots to self-driving cars, AI is changing everything. In this video, we break down 48 common AI terms. Let's get right into it. Imagine an AI that can learn and reason like a human. That's AGI. Think of this as AI with a purpose, like a self-driving car navigating autonomously to its destination. AI ethics ensures AI is used for good. How do we ensure super intelligent AI doesn't turn against us? YouTube's video recommendations, that's an algorithm at work. Aligning AI's goals with ours is crucial. Ever feel like chatting with a real person? That's anthropomorphism. In a nutshell, it's about machines that can learn, adapt, and solve problems like we do. The future is here. These AI systems act independently like robot vacuums in your house. AI can reflect biases present in its training data. From customer service to casual conversation, chatbots are AI designed to chat. The chatbot that took the world by storm, it's impressively good at human-like text. Just another way of saying artificial intelligence. Think of it like giving your AI a bigger, more diverse textbook to learn from. More data means better AI performance. AI gets smart by processing massive data to find patterns. Imagine teaching an AI to paint by showing it a picture slowly disappear, then reappear again. That's diffusion in action. When AI surprises us with abilities it wasn't specifically programmed to have, it's both exciting and a little unnerving. Like teaching a kid to ride a bike by letting them go. E2E lets AI learn by doing the task itself. As AI gets more powerful, we must ask tough questions about its societal impact. It's not just about the tech. AI becoming super intelligent, leaving us behind. Let's hope not. Two AI brains working together. One generates content, the other judges it. The result? Amazingly realistic and impressive stuff. This powers AI art and text-to-video tools. Google's answer to ChatGPT, designed to be even more powerful and versatile. The AI battle is really heating up now. Think of these as the safety rules for AI, ensuring it stays on track and doesn't go rogue. When AI gives you wrong information confidently, AI applies what it's learned to new situations. The brains behind ChatGPT and other impressive language AIs. It's the engine that powers AI, enabling machines to learn from data. Remember Bing? It's making a comeback with ChatGPT-like technology. AI that understands and processes text, images, and sounds just like us. Teaching computers to understand human language, Siri and Alexa rely on it. Inspired by the brain, neural networks build AI systems. When an AI model is so focused on the data it's seen before, it can't handle new information well. A thought experiment about AI going too far, turning the entire world into a paperclip factory. Weird, right? Think of these as the knobs and dials that control how an AI model behaves. More parameters mean more complexity. Not just a feeling you get when learning about AI, it's also a powerful AI chatbot and search engine tool. The question you give an AI to get it to do its thing, crafting good prompts is an art. Having an AI remember previous interactions helps create a more natural, flowing conversation, like it's actually paying attention to you. A fancy way of saying AI sounds smart but doesn't understand the meaning behind the words. Applying the artistic style of one image to another. Van Gogh's Starry Night with your cat? Done. Higher temperature means more creative and unpredictable AI results. Typing a description, getting an AI image, magic by code. Building blocks of language for AI text processing. Massive data sets of text, images, or code-trained AI models. Garbage in, garbage out, as they say. A neural network revolutionizing AI language understanding. It powers ChatGPT. Can a machine fool a human into thinking it's human? AI excels at one task, but can't do much else. When an AI learns a new task without training. So there you have it! 48 AI terms that'll have you sounding like a pro. Now you're ready to navigate the world of artificial intelligence. Let me know in the comments below. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next